Creating documents from diverse sources is complex, and AI tools often lack transparency. While helpful, current AI tools often hit limitations with even simple document tasks, especially with information transformations across diverse formats, accurate multimodal integration, or reliable synthesis from varied sources. They often lack basic controls for effective human-in-the-loop interactions, are inflexible, and fail in face of such queries. To help analyze and design for these challenges, we contribute a design space characterizing these interactive workflows. Now, let's see how these ideas inform our prototype, DocuCraft. We start with Alex, uploading his diverse source documents, PDFs, Word docs, web links, directly into DocuCraft. He can then view the documents and then go to chat about them. He initiates the process with a natural language prompt describing his goal, planning his conference trip. DocuCraft clarifies his preferences to better understand Alex's intent. Based on this, it analyzes the sources and suggests an initial relevance assessment. When Alex confirms, DocuCraft automatically generates an initial workflow canvas tailored to his request, translating the conversation into a structured plan. This initial canvas gives Alex a structured view. Before diving into transformations, he can easily explore his source documents right here. Hovering over page markers reveals AI-generated page summaries for quick content checks. He can view a summary of the entire file, or even start a focus chat specifically about the contents of this document to ask detailed questions without losing context. These features provide rich information scent, helping Alex understand his sources before processing them further. Okay, let's follow the top branch, automatically set up for planning the budget. The relevant source documents identified earlier feed into a relevant page extractor. This scatter infomorph, configured here to find pages related to costs and logistics, isolates pertinent information from the broader documents. Next, these extracted pages flow into a spreadsheet planner, a gather infomorph designed to synthesize structured data. DocuCraft suggests an initial prompt based on Alex's goal, but critically, Alex refines it, instructing DocuCraft specifically to include source justifications in the Notes column. This demonstrates direct user steering, D3, of the AI's generation process. Once Alex makes the edit, Alex runs the flow to see the update results automatically populated in the sheet. Alex verifies this and approves this for any further downstream processing. Finally, to get a shareable file for his pre-approval process, Alex adds a spreadsheet builder node to the canvas. This transduce infomorph takes the approved budget data from the viewer and generates a properly formatted Excel spreadsheet, ready for download and use outside DocuCraft. Now, let's look at the parallel branch focused on planning the itinerary. You can see different source documents relevant to travel ideas, like Alex's previous trip notes and tourism websites, feeding into the section of the workflow. These sources flow through their own relevant page extractor and then into a document planner and an editor. Alex makes a minor edit and saves his change. Weeks later, inevitable changes occur. The final USD program PDF becomes available with the detailed session schedule. Alex uploads this new document directly onto the DocuCraft canvas, where it instantly appears as a new, usable source node. To integrate the relevant sessions efficiently, he adds a new relevant page extractor, infomorph, onto the canvas. He then configures it, narrowly instructing it via the prompt field to pull out only the pages or talk details related to his specific research interest, human-AI interaction. To merge this new information without disrupting his approved plan, Alex adds another document planner node. His prompt for this planner is specific: merge the extracted USD talks into the existing itinerary structure. He then connects both the new HCI talks and his previously approved itinerary as inputs to the planner, combining new data with the validated base plan. Alex then places a new document editor node on the canvas and connects the merged planner's output to it. The planner executes, populating this chosen node by replacing the placeholder text with the final, revised itinerary, now ready for Alex's review. This ability to selectively combine new data with validated intermediate results is to be noted here. During the conference, he leveraged DocuCraft. For each day, he created new document editor nodes directly on the canvas, capturing key points from sessions, thoughts. After his trip, Alex uses this integrated plan, along with notes he took directly on the canvas, to synthesize a summary presentation. We fast forward and see the full workflow here. Alex generates new images, applies his institutional template, and creates the final PPT file. Thank you.